This is funny. People are starving and you're just arresting those who are giving them food.
Yesterday, the High Court here in Kampala ruled that Mityana Municipality legislator Francis Zaake had his rights violated during his arrest early in 2020. The court, presided over by Lady Justice Esther Nambayo, ordered government to compensate the MP with 75 million shillings for the pain endured during his arrest for allegedly defying the COVID-19 preventive restrictions. In the lawsuit, Zaake had also sued the command of the Chieftaincy of Military Intelligence, Major General Abekandiho, the former RPC for Amala Region, Bob Kagalula, and former Mityana DPC Alex Mwine. However, in a strange turn of events, Nambayo's ruling didn't find these guilty of the torture allegations. Consequently, Zaake, who is still in Turkey on official parliament duties, and his lawyer Aaron Kiza say they are disappointed by Nambayo's ruling since it should have found the alleged perpetrators punishable.
And everything was captured. So I do not see why they are asking that I would have provided more evidence about the people tortured me. Yes, this was so clear because I was able to know. And the video was there. The people picked me. I was picked when I was okay. The next following days, everyone was able to see that I was in deep pain. So I call upon the arm of justice to at least next time to provide full, justice, not to just have a semblance of justice that you're just going to come up.
The evidence was there, it was on record, but the judge didn't believe that evidence. And it's her right, and we shall not appeal already as I've suggested. But if government appeals, then we shall cross appeal on some of the points on which we disagree with the judgment. We don't agree with every word in this judgment.
Despite this, the MP says half a loaf is better than nothing and has agreed to be content with the ruling.
I can let you know that at least what I've done, I've been able to expose the judiciary. I've exposed it so clearly. And I do not need to get back. Reason being, it takes a lot of money to have a case in the High Court. Sure. And the moment I go back, this time I do not even think that I will have justice again.
Finally, the MP says he's unhappy with the compensation set by court, urging that it is insufficient.
Millions. I spent over 200 millions on my treatment abroad while I was in India. That's the much I spent. And that's the same, at least that's the same I specified in my case. I specified that I spent something like to do with 200 millions in Uganda, and I spent over 200 millions while in India. And I specified a total of 400 millions that I needed for compensation. And I put it clearly that the money is supposed to be paid by the people who tortured me.
John Cliff Wamala, NTV. Tonight.